Hi guys, my name is Ron from Tech Tuts. Tech Tuts stands for tutorial. Um, I just made that up for this tutorial channel. So how are you guys doing? So for today, what we are going to record is the process on how to create a PST file. Now a PST file is for Outlook, just in case you have an old email account and you have a new email created and you want to import all your emails from the old email address going to the new email account. This is the process on how you can export the PST file. So you have to go and open Outlook. I do have that in front of me. So you go to File. This should be really easy. And click on Open and Export. And go to Import or Export and choose Export a file. Click Next. It'll say Export Outlook information to a file for use in other programs. So just click Next and choose Outlook data file or now, by the way, once done, the file extension will be .pst. Okay, so click Next. So choose which from your inbox you want to export. That one is taking a long time, but let's just go ahead and highlight this one. So just click on include subfolders. That will include all these folders here. Just let me just go ahead and minimize that. So just click next and replace duplicates with items exported. Let's just choose the option to do not export duplicate items, and for it to be a lot accessible to you, I would suggest you just export it to your desktop. Just hit an OK, click finish, and you have to create a password for this. Hold on a sec. Oh, it's giving me an error. It's not responding. All right, so just create an easy password for you to remember. Let me do just so. And click on oh. All right. I think I typed it wrong. It did not match. Let me type that in again. Yes. Click on OK. Type the password for backup 2. It's going to ask for the password again. Just hit it OK. Voila. And I think you're all set. Uh, my computer is freezing. I apologize for that. But so we exported it to our desktop, and this is the file it created. So that's an Outlook data file or PST file. But still, it is on the process of exporting the files. Let's just wait for it to finish loading. Well, it'll take a while, but usually this is the process for Outlook 365 if you are to create a PST file. I hope this video helps you out. Now, if you have questions, feel free to post on the comments down below. Thank you.